How to sync Goodnotes from iPad to Windows. I'm going to tell you how to sync Goodnotes from iPad to Windows. First, open Goodnotes on your iPad and make sure you're signed in to your Goodnotes account. Tap the gear icon to open settings, then go to Cloud and Backup. Turn on iCloud Sync if it's not already enabled. This makes sure your notes are backed up to your account. Next, head to your Windows device and open your browser. Go to goodnotes.com and sign in using the same account you used on your iPad. You'll be taken to the web version of Goodnotes where you can see your synced notebooks. The sync isn't instant like iCloud between Apple devices, but changes you make on your iPad will show up on the web version after a few moments, depending on your internet connection. You can view, search, and even write in your notes directly from the browser.